beautiful day here in the anchorage. Fairly calm. There's a light breeze blowing. Slightly ripples the water. Look at that sky and the clouds. It's like cotton candy. You can hear the ocean. It's right on the other side of those trees. There's a beach and the ocean. I don't know if you can hear the roar of those waves. They're still huge out there. It's probably some pretty good surf though, with some offshore breeze as it is. One lone sailboat out there with his kayak. Everybody else over here. So hopefully we can make it to West Palm, or Palm Beach at any rate. Toss an anchor there and hang out there for a while. Here comes a big one. I think we should give him an auga. You ready? Comes the waves. This is the Hobie Sound Bridge. This is a drawbridge. I just contacted the tender. He said, come on through. He'll raise it when we're in range. He knows better than we do, right? When to lift that bridge. Cars are still going through. Guy on a bicycle runs through there after the horn. Guy better have some super Viagra and get it up quick. I'm gonna slow down. That wasn't very good timing, was it, bridge tender? There she goes. Give it some go juice. Here we go. Through. Let's give him a blast. Thank you, bridge tender. That means nobody else got it. Look at this place. Mouse live there? Maybe Goofy? Woo! What a place. Nice boat. A little protected. If you're going to have a boat out back, might as well have the who cares. Look at the size of that thing. Some more nice boats. What nice places. Wow. Who cares? There's a nice little park where you can just pull over on the side of the road and got your own beach. Fish, there's a guy fishing there. Some girls laying out in the sun. 707 bridge, this is the sailing vessel Cindy Mae. I'm approaching your position. I'm requesting an opening, please.
707, we'll give you an opening when you get up to the bridge, Captain.
Thank you much, bridge tender. Get that bridge open, tender. Let's see if this is a better one than the last one. If I had to slow down and stop. It's going up. Let's put the pedal to the metal. Yeah, we won't put it to the metal. We'll just give it a little bit more pedal. This is 707 bridge. We're going through. Jupiter Federal Bridge tender. This is the sailing vessel Cindy Mae. I'm approaching your location. I'm requesting an opening, please.
Captain, let me get traffic stop and make sure my maintenance is clear. Jupiter Federal to maintenance. Mike, are you guys clear? Maintenance all clear. Thank you. Jupiter Federal Bridge, interfering to open. Requesting buses, please remain outside windows and scope bridges fully raised.
There it goes. He said, wait until the bridge is fully raised. Goes. Woo-wee. Get it up, bridge tender. Get it up. There it is, the famous Sailfish Marina. And the famous Peanut Island. We'll find us a place to anchor here. Okay, I got all anchored up here, ate some dinner, got out the night vision camera. This is nifty. It's dark here, but I'm anchored at the anchorage and it's windy. Hopefully it gets a little nicer tomorrow. See some of this clear water that's underneath us. But at any rate, thanks for watching, everybody. Don't miss the next episode.